Hi children, good morning. How are you? How the things are going? Are you okay? We have discussed our third chapter, the L's and the shoemaker. And today we will discuss one of the textual activity and the question answers. So first, you please take page number 50. Let us understand. Look at the board. Let us understand. Complete these sentences. Here they are given 5 sentences and some words are missing in that sentences. So we need to complete the sentences using the correct words. First sentence, in a little house lived a dash named Boris. In a little house lived a dash named Boris. Who was Boris? Yes, shoemaker. So here we can write shoemaker. In a little house lived a shoemaker named Boris. Second sentence, Boris cut out the leather for a pair of shoes and left it on the dash. Boris cut out the leather for a pair of shoes and left it on the dash. What did he keep that? Yes, on the table. On the table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. And third one, the next morning, Boris saw a new pair of dash. What did he see in the next morning? The next morning, Boris saw a new pair of shoes. So here we can write shoes. And fourth one, the shoes were so dash that Boris sold them. The shoes were so dash that Boris sold them. Who was the shoes? Yes, it is easy to wear. It is a new word. Yes, comfortable. So it was comfortable that Boris sold them. And fifth one, Boris bought some more dash with the money he got. Boris bought some more dash. What did he buy? Yes, some more leather. Some more leather to make shoes. So children, first one, in a little house lived a shoemaker named Boris. Second one, Boris cut out the leather for a pair of shoes and left it on the table. Third one, the next morning Boris saw a new pair of shoes. Fourth one, the shoes were so comfortable that Boris sold them. And fifth one, Boris bought some more leather with the money he got. Children, you should complete this exercise in your textbook. And now let us discuss the question answers. So let us discuss the question answers. Answer the following. First question, this continued for many days. What continued for many days? This continued for many days. What continued for many days? Answer. Every night Boris cut some leather and left it on the table of his workshop. The next day there were new shoes on the table. This continued for many days. So the elves made the shoes for this shoemaker. So the answer, every night Boris cut some leather and left it on the table of his workshop. The next day there were new shoes on the table. This continued for many days. And the second question, why did Boris and Emma hide behind the door of the workshop? Why did Boris and Emma hide behind the door of the workshop? What was the reason? Yes, they wanted to find out who is making the shoes. So the answer, Boris and Emma hide behind the door of the workshop because they wanted to find out who made the shoes every night. They wanted to find out who is making the shoes. So that's why Boris and Emma hide behind the door of the workshop because they wanted to find out who made the shoes every night. Third question, what did Boris and Emma see from their hiding place? what did Boris and Emma see from their hiding place? They hide behind the door of their workshop. And what did they see? Boris and Emma saw that two little elves jumped in through the window. They began to work on the leather and made new shoes and jumped out of the window. Boris and Emma saw that two little elves jumped in through the window. They began to work on the leather and made new shoes and jumped out of the window. And the fourth one, we must do something for these helpful elves. We must do something for these helpful elves. Who is the speaker? Who said this? Yes, Emma is the speaker. Who is the speaker? Emma is the speaker. We must do something for these helpful elves. Who said this? Emma said this. And the next question, who does we refer to? Here we means what? We refers to Boris and Emma. We refers to Boris and Emma. See what they do for the helpful elves? Yes, they made clothes and shoes. They made new clothes and shoes for the helpful elves. They made new clothes and shoes for the helpful elves. Children, from page number 16, you can see the think and answer question. Did the elves think they would get any gift? How do you know? What's your opinion? Think they would get any gift? No, they did not think they would get any gift. No, they did not think they would get any gift because they were very surprised to see the clothes and the shoes. And they clapped their hands and they danced because of joy. And they put on the clothes and shoes and they danced and skipped out of the window. They didn't expect any gift from the shoemaker and his wife. That's why they were very surprised and they clapped their hands and danced well and skipped out of the window. See children, did you hear the proverb? One good turn deserves another. One good turn deserves another. What do you mean by that? If you help anyone, surely you will get help from others. So in this lesson, the elves helped the shoemaker and his wife by making the shoes. In return, they helped the elves by giving them new clothes and shoes. So this proverb means good turn deserves another means so you should do good things in your life. So today we have discussed one of the textual activity and the question answers. I attached the notes of this lesson with this classroom. Write down the question answers neatly in your English notebook and write and study well. One day you can write and study 2 question answers and complete the textual activity. And don't forget to read the textbook. And in the next class we will discuss the grammar topic. So we can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.